Hello students, part 1 of the question says, show the equation 3 sin x tan x equals to 8 can be written in this form. So we'll first write down the equation, so that is 3 sin x. Now tan x can be written as sin x over cos x, and that is equals to 8. So that literally means we can write 3 sine square x equals to 8 cos x. So we'll use the identity over here that sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So that means the value of sine square x will be 1 minus cos square x. So I'll put that value over here. 1 minus cos square x equals to 8 of cos x. So if I rearrange this term, so I'll get 3 cos square x plus 8 cos x and minus 3 equals to 0. So that's the required quadratic asked in part 1. Now, answering part 2, it says that we have to solve this equation between 0 to 2 pi. So if I'm putting down the values now between 0 and 2 pi, so I'll just solve this quadratic equation in terms of cos square x. So I got it as 3 cos square x plus 9 cos x minus cos x minus 3 equals to 0. So I can take 3 cos x common, so that becomes cos x plus 3 minus 1 cos x plus 3 equals to 0. So the value that we got is cos x plus 3 into 3 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So if I put cos x plus 3 equals to 0, so I got cos x equals to minus 3, which is not possible because the value of cos x lies between plus 1 to minus 1. Now, the other value that I got is 3 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So I got cos x equals to 1 by 3. So we can calculate x as cos inverse 1 by 3. So if I put this value into calci, so I got it as 70.5 degree. Now cos x is also positive apart from first quadrant in the fourth quadrant. So the same angle in the fourth quadrant can be written as 360 minus 70.5 degrees, which is equals to 289.5 degrees. So these two are the valid answers for the second part of the question. Thank you, students.